It's Saturday evening, about 3:30, and we are heading to an old top secret location that we used to come to when we were younger, and you never know, we might find a bottle of wine and a couple of cans of gins round about this one somewhere, and if we do, then we can stop and have a wee swally. Stunning round about here, I'll just show you. The big loch just right there, quite frozen over. We're at the opposite side of it. Only the people that know where we are. You've got to have your winter woolies when you're up here. We've got many layers on, wrapped up like burst pipes. No point in being calm when you don't have to. Beautiful place. It's like being in the Amazon. You have to watch out for these wee sinky bits. Aye. We're just looking for a wee cut off. We're hoping, there used to be a seat there, but it's not a very well known path, this one, or not a lot of people use it. It's nice.
I can't remember if it used to be over there.
Aye, I think it was back a wee bit. We didn't want to go too far.
Off-road.
We're hunting for our wee spot. There used to be a clearing down to it, but we know where we are in regards to the loch, and we should be round about there. So Kenny's just away in the off-road to have a look. Let's take you off-road. On an adventure.
Did you see remnants of the old path?
Yep. We're not far away. We'll find a spot. Is it further out the right, do you think?
I think it was actually further over to the left.
Aye.
You can see across with the seats.
Yep. I think it's just back there, so we've got to check it out.
You're getting up to the far side of the walk.
Aye, it's back over here somewhere. As I say, it's all been overgrown and hardly used.
Like you see, there you can see remnants of the old path.
You can see that the water's been up quite a bit as well. Aye, we're definitely too far. Aye, it's maybe gone.
Either down there or over here.
Yep. Oh. Yep. I will find a nice spot there. Nice mosses round about.
Some solid ground here or here.
Yep. We've found a spot that will do us nicely. There's a wee spot right there. Right there. And a wee spot right there. I think this is where the path actually came down. As I say, it's all about finding that spot, that wee nice place where you can just sit down and chill and forget about everything and look forward to the future. Our feet are sinking, but the ground's quite hard. Yep. Aye, we're heading back out the path. We've found a bit. Here's the path, right at the base of this huge tree. Cheers everybody. Down the hatch. Those wee bits of footage in that. And that's my ice bucket. This is what it's all about. Getting out, enjoying the outdoors, having a wee Gordon's gin before I get my red wine out out. It just makes you feel brilliant. Aye, chilling out. You're working away during the week, or even if you're on furlough, get yourself out, change the scenery. Aye.
Smells and the sounds of the outdoors. Lovely.
This is actually quite a nice wee spot, this that we've went and found. It'll be nice for a wee bivvy camp. We'll come up sometime. We've got some more fire logs. We've got to have a wee fire later on, so we're, of course, in our fire pit when we're up here.
This sphagnum moss layer is really thick, so that's got a sphagnum moss is a good insulator. So as when it's dry.
We've got these wee pads for sitting on, which is really nice. It keeps you nice and warm. But it's a nice wee ambient spot. Really nice.
Get the bivvy bags out and just a wee tap between the trees just to keep that early morning mist that comes down on you.
Yep.
You'll be fine.
We're going to be putting up a lot of videos about the kit we're going to be taking on the West Highland Way. It's going to be the first week in May when we're heading off. It'll be the Saturday, the first week in May.
Yep.
And that leads into the bank holiday, so it does. But we're heading off on the Saturday morning. There'll be a few people with us, and we will be putting up, as I say, reviews of kit and all that, what we're taking with us. Gainie's a few tips and that, because we've done it 4 times. Done the Great Glen Way and the West Highland Way all in the one or so we have. So, going to be good. Listen. Lesser spotted woodpecker up there somewhere.
We'll be doing some live footage and all
Aye.
along the way. Pardon me.
Putting up daily pictures. Makes you feel great getting outdoors.
Absolutely.
So does this.
Nice and toasty when you know it's chilly outdoors and you're just toasty with the kit you've got on.
Aye.
Nice and warm.
We've got our own rubbish bag. So all of our rubbish we will be taking home. A ranger leaves no mess behind.
I've got a cracking wee spot.
That's Kenny's ice box. He's sticking in there for his wine.
Definitely.
Mine's will be being kept warm. All of you red wine drinkers know that red wine drinks needs to be warm.
Aye, God.
There's the ice guy.
Make it happen! Hey!
Aye, because I forgot you doing no God. Make it happen. She's quite funny.
That's it.